learners. So the topic that I will be discussing you with today, that is the most important topic, one of the most important wherever you will be in your career. It is going to really help you. That is your communication skill. Anywhere you're working, whether you are working in MNC or like you are applying for the interview or you are going for somewhere, or even if you are preparing for government exams or anything else, communication is always going to be very important point. Remember this, it is going to be very important point. When you will sit in your first interview, on that very day you will realize its importance. If it's going to be any kind of job, even for the software company, for electronics, or in the other sectors, in private, public, wherever, you need to have at least that much communication skill that is going to be presentable to the person who is on the other side. Okay, so here these are some 6 points that I have organized on the basis of my experience, because after leaving the schools, in going to the college, and there making a communication, sometimes it is not always possible to have a communication in English with your friends. Okay, it is not always possible, because like most of the time with your friends you all just have a gossips in Hindi, not in English, not much, very few people they have. So when after eventually when you enter the fourth year, or suppose if your course is of 3 year, and when you enter the final year, then definitely you need to have like a revision, or you can say a quick of what you know about the communication, so that you can have a good flow. Because if you are trying to experiment the thing that you will be directly able to speak everything with a very fluent way, then it's not going to really work when you will sit there, and you will realize this. Okay, so these are some point, like when this how I collected my communication after like when it was needed to me. So what I started in very beginning is I start speaking to myself, because like when my interview was there, so what I thought, okay, I will just handle the communication part, it's not going to be an issue. But what then I came to know that there will be GD rounds, and there will be a one-to-one communication round. So different companies, they will have definitely different rounds. So then I just took a topic, very small topic, and started speaking. Then I thought, like I was not able to very much with fluent with the things, like very nicely, no. So I thought definitely practice is required there. So what I used to do, I started speaking to myself. So in my college days, definitely I was a hostler. Okay, so what I used to do, like at 11 or 12 p.m, I used to go to the balcony of the hostel, and there start pick a topic, a single topic, and start speaking to myself. So that's why I have mentioned here, start speaking to yourself. Means you will be the only soul and whole person who will be listening to yourself. No one else is going to judge you, because you are going to judge yourself very better that how you are speaking. So this is the starting, because you cannot directly come to this, that comes something here and start speaking yourself. No, it's not. So start speaking, because first day, second day, when you will start speaking to yourself, you will realize, oh my god, I'm not able to means very clear with the things. Then once you will start point by point, then again start reading something. Also reading is also going, suppose if you have spoke something to you, and after that if you find that you are not this is your concept, this is your thought regarding to this topic, then do one thing, search the topic on the Google, and just walk it and read it. Walking and reading it, it will create two things. One, you will have a one-to-one communication with yourself, and other, you will have a practice of like definitely your body language will also change. So that is going to really help you in this point. So do this thing at the first. Next, suppose in the morning whenever you wake, or if you are the person who like organizes everything in the night before sleeping, then organize your entire day speaking to yourself only in the English, that what will be your entire schedule. This is you, means it is not the only thing to say, you should follow also this, like organize your entire day. Like yeah, I will be just having my breakfast in 5 to 10 minutes. After that I will be having a lunch of 15 minutes. After this I will be just continuing with this lecture, then I have to discuss something, and I have to went to library, and after that in the evening I will have the snacks again, and after that I will just give 30 minutes for playing and other things. So you have to devote time. Nothing means it's just if you see all these points, it's just a sequence of sentence that you're going to organize for yourself. That is it. Okay, think in English. So whenever you think something like okay, this is the topic, that how I got this topic. Suppose a mathematics lecture were there and you just got everything to be understand. Then again, when you are summarizing that point, you do not need to say someone that you have to go through these things or you have learned these things. No, just go through the topic. Means whatever you have learned, just summarize that thing in your mind. Okay, this is the topic, this is the concept behind this is the technical things which I need to remember, and that's it. It's very simple. It's really going to help you. Again, share something with you, like suppose some incidents, instead of sharing with your friend, because we are in a habit of sharing things with our friends, our family, and that too with all the things that how it happened and everything. Start elaborating all those things to yourself instead of speaking to some third person. Okay, so you will be the only two persons or two entities to whom you will be speaking here. Okay, so share something, anything, like you had a very good experience in this class. Okay, that day was very grateful to you, and all these things. Okay, so what will happen, how this will be helping you, you want to know like how it will be helping you. This is going to help you in that scene. Suppose if you are in an office, like in the present, or suppose something was told to explain me your most wonderful experience. Many times HR in the interview they ask this question, share something that happened very good or the most memorable. So at that time, if you will be able to capture those things, that how you explain the things very easily that are going in your current life or either in the past, then you will be able to relate it with very good flow. Okay, so there it's really going to help you. Start making your videos. Okay, this is I personally recommend because it's really very helpful, but I will just tell you, please first follow all these 4 points so that you can have a good flow and then go for this. Start making a video is just open a set of questions. Like I will also make a video on the set of very common question that can be asked in any of the HR round or like a personal interview round. Okay, so in that, just have a set of that question and do one thing, just read that question and make a set of all those questions and make your video in your phone and record your answers continuously for half an hour, for 45 minutes for continuation, and then just look for that video day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 7. Just make 7-day video or 7 times video and see what are the changes in the first video to 7 video, and along this with that keep practicing these points and see that what changes will come to your 1 to day 7 video. Okay, and then let me know that it helps to you or not, because I think this is one of the best option, I consider it. Okay, so next is started it on a platform for you. So this means, suppose if you're doing everything, okay, but someone may have the fear of speaking in the public, someone may have the fear of presenting themselves or the other fear. So there what you can do is, whenever you get any platform like welcoming someone, speaking with your friends, or when you thought okay you need someone, so where you can a crowd of 5 to 10 people if you want to make, then just kindly say it to your friends that okay, I have prepared something, just listen to me and let me know that am I good on this speaking or no. Definitely everyone will help and everyone have to go somewhere else, so they will also start increasing their interest, that if my friend he or she is doing, then why we won't support to her. They will also think to do that, so along with you just encourage them also. Okay, so these are the collection of points which I think that you should use to make your communication skill good, and it will help you to prepare for any of the HR round or a very good communication skill impact. Okay, so I think I hope like it will be definitely helping you if you will follow all these steps, and believe me, these are on the basis of my personal experience. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video and do apply it and let me know. Thank you.